So here we have Ghoulia Yelps Skultimate roller maze doll. So we have a Europeanized version of things again. So we have no thing saying Skultimate roller maze here, it's just the picture of the skates, which by the looks of things seem to be Ghoulia's. And then we have Ghoulia's name, but not that she's the daughter of the zombies. And then, because it's a general group of dolls now, they've started to do just the same decoration but with the person's picture. So we have the picture of Ghoulia here where she has yellow in her hair rather than green, so I'm assuming the colour used to be yellow for the team. So we have thunderbolts kind of stretched across here, and then a yellow zip, and it continues up, and then we have the thunderbolts again up at the top. So on the back we have the thing that says that she's the daughter of the zombies. Then we have a picture of Ghoulia from the front of the box, and then we have the picture of the 4 that have currently been released. We know Abby's in a box set with another Ghoulia. We'll probably get that and then use the Ghoulia for a spare for possibly her comic outfit if we can get hold of that. So then we have just like warning small parts, not really much on the back of the boxes since they're Europeanized anyway. And we have our number for Argos. So we will get her out. So here is Ghoulia on the back packaging. Again, we have the aggressively fluorescent yellow. So they each have green stands and clips. No hairbrushes in these ones, which is rare considering that it's a girl one and therefore would be expected to have brushes. So it's pretty much Ghoulia and then her helmet and her shoes separate from her so that it looks like she comes with more. And then she has a little postcard at the back there with the picture from the front of the box. The instructions actually do have the picture of Ghoulia, see it's her pigtails there. So that's just to detail how to get things on there. One thing I wanted to mention, I don't think we've said with the other dolls in the line, is apparently these dolls glow pretty awesomely if you put them under a blue UV light. We don't have one handy, which is why we haven't done it with these, but I wanted to mention it with Ghoulia because she apparently is the best for doing that, so if anyone wanted to try that, then be our guest. So we'll get her off the packaging and try standing her up now. So here is Ghoulia off of the back packaging completely. So if we start from the top as we usually do, her hair, similar to Operata's, is being completely cemented into these curls. Slightly uneven curling. This one seems to have rotated a little bit. So the glasses that she's wearing don't really seem the right shape for her face. And they're also solid shades, whereas on the card it seems to have been actual glasses so you can see her eyes. But they're kind of cat's eye glasses shaped, and if I lift them up a bit, then she's wearing a light green eye makeup with a bit of blue underneath there, and then she's wearing pink lipstick. The glasses were again completely banded to her face, but we removed it before the review. So judging by Ghoulia's outfit, she seems to be like the referee of this roller maze thing. So she's wearing black, white and green striping with the same kind of blood splatter print as she's been wearing recently. So it's a kind of a pinky colour. And then she has pink netting on her sleeves. She also seems to have a yellow kind of blood drip thing going on her wrist, but she also has a whistle by the looks of things attached there. So I think she is going to be the referee. I can't really see her doing a speedy roller maze thing considering she's a zombie and therefore very slow, but then again she does have a scooter, so vehicles and wheels and things may make her faster, you never know. So this skirt is insanely short. It's difficult to actually get it to cover her because it's very, very close to showing her underwear. So she has pink knee pads again, we've kept them banded because it's just a very open clip on the knee and we don't want them falling off. So the shoes that she's wearing are pretty much plain black. We have some nice neat stitching detail on the back and the sides there. And then it, I think, is supposed to be dripping a lot of blood, but it kind of just looks like she stood in a really, really massive clump of pink chewing gum and it's kind of stuck there now. So the wheels on hers, she has a blue at the front and a green at the back, and then a green at the front and a blue at the back. So that's everything for her outfit. And then she comes with this card that has her on the front with her name, and then the pictures of everyone on the back. I'm just kind of wondering what Claudine's card's going to look like. Is it just going to have her and Dracula and possibly Abby on there? So that's her card. And then Ghoulia's helmet is made to look like brains, and then she has kind of blood dripping from the top of the straps there. So that's her brain. I'll have a go at putting it on here. Okay. And then that clips on there, like that. Her ponytail gets in the way a little bit sometimes, so it can be a bit difficult to get it on her head. So that is the Ghoulia Yelps Skultimate Roller Maze doll.